Stop hard memorizing the derivative of the inverse function. Let's understand what's going on behind that. The original function of f equal to fx, the inverse function is f equal to f inverse of x. The x equal to f inverse of y would be exactly the same as the original function. For example, y equal to x squared, then the inverse function become y equal to the square root of x. And x equal to the square root of y. These two are exactly the same. With this understanding that the inverse function with switching input and output would be the same as the original function, we get to the next step. We have a function y equal to fx. We have the x as an input into function f, then we get the output as a y. The shape of the inverse function are exactly the same as the original function. We have a y as an input to the inverse function, then we got an x. These two shapes are exactly the same, but we have an y as an input and x as an output. So we take the slope of this derivative and then the output divided by the input is equal to the slope. Finally, we got here. The slope of the original function would be 1 divided by the slope of the inverse function. The slope is the representative of the derivative. Then we have the derivative of the original function would equal to 1 divided by the inverse function of its derivative. Then you can see these items are exactly the same as this one.